Good evening everyone. My name is James Lawrence Ornopia from Section Alpha. Today I want to discuss a subject that is frequently misunderstood. The fact that playing video games can really boost motivation. Video games are often viewed as a time waster or distraction. Playing them is frequently said to cause procrastination and decrease productivity. What if I told you though that playing video games can actually make you more motivated both within and outside of this virtual world? Let's start by looking at the structure of video games. The majority of games are made to give players specific objectives and instant feedback. Every move in the game leads to some kind of role, whether it's finishing a level, beating an enemy, or figuring out puzzle. This ongoing sensation of achievements motivates games to keep improving games. Incentive systems such leveling up, gaining points, or unlocking new content are modeled by real-world goal settings. These incentives give a sense of accomplishment and reinforce good conduct, both of which inherently increase drive. Playing video games can also foster tenacity. Playing video games also foster tenacity. Playing video games also fosters tenacity. Games are rarely simple. They frequently put players to the test, making them try to fail several times before they succeed. Resilience, patience, and the value of perseverance. Resilience, patience, and the value of perseverance. Resilience, patience, and the value of perseverance are lessons learned through this trial and error process that can be used in the practical settings. The will to conquer challenging in the game obstacles and inspire one to pursue both personal and professional objectives. Playing video games can also help people feel more independent. Numerous games can give players options that let them choose their course and approach. A player's internal drive can be raised that their sense of control over choices can be inspiring. People are more likely to participate fully and maintain motivation when they believe they have agency over their behavior. Multiplayer games also promote cooperation and teamwork, collaborating with others and accomplish shared objectives. Collaborating with other Multiplayer games can also promote cooperation and teamwork, collaborating with others to accomplish a shared objective, improve mutual motivation, trust, and communication skills. Gaming's social component may foster a feeling of belonging the purpose, which can be tremendously inspiring. Lastly, there are games made expressly to encourage